Starting a business is one of the most important, godly, and impactful things you can do as a Christian. And here's why. As followers of Christ, we're called to reflect His nature. So owning a business gives you the opportunity to do that in two powerful ways. The first is through creation, and the second is through leadership. So as a business owner, you get to solve problems. You get to create solutions. You get to break down barriers. You get to help open doors. And few things reflect God's creativity more than using our talents that He's given you to build something in His name. So not only that, but being a business owner places you in a role of leadership. The best leaders, like Christ, they served others. Jesus led through humility and service, and that's the model that we're called to follow in business as well. That's the beauty of building a business with God at the center. So if you're ready to start or grow your business while growing your faith, check out the resources I've linked below my profile. And if you'll do me one more favor before you go, drop a 1 in the comments. If you're a Christian business owner or you're aspiring to be one, I would absolutely love to connect with you.